Before we move on to the resets, we take some time to arrive onto the mat and tune into the process. Find a comfortable seat, and if comfortable to do so, close your eyes. Take a few breaths to settle. Don't try to change your posture yet, just tune into the body. Check in with your back, your hips, your neck. Notice any tension in the body. And then finally take your awareness to the sensation of breath. Noticing where you find that physical sensation. The breath at the nostrils, the belly, the chest, the clothing moving against your skin. Relax the shoulders, relax the face. And then we're going to move on to the first reset, tiger breathing, where we activate the entire spine and hydrate the discs. Come forward onto tabletop. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, lower the belly, pull the chest through and lift the chin. Exhale, chin to chest, pull the belly in and round the spine. So a minute here, moving slowly and mindfully with the breath like this, moving the entire spine. With every inhale, completely fill the lungs, so feel that stretch across the front of the body. And with every exhale, squeeze the belly and empty the lungs entirely. Open the space between your shoulder blades. Okay, that's your minute here. Now we're going to combine the next two resets on one side of the body for 30 seconds each, and then switch sides. So that'll be 30 seconds with halos with a side drop, and then 30 seconds of archer press. So both great for core stability. Step the left foot forward. Keep the knee over the ankle. Lift the body and take hold of your weight. So a dumbbell or perhaps a heavy book. And for now, just hold this at your chest. So we're going to go into halos with a gentle side twist. Going towards your left ear first, circle the weight slowly around your head. Keep your spine nice and long. When you change direction, circle the weight slowly towards your right ear, and this time trace a line as you twist, lowering the weight towards your right hip. So repeating for 30 seconds here. The weight wants to pull you over, and it's your job to stay as solid as a statue. Okay, that's your 30 seconds. Keep the lower body exactly how it is with the left knee over the ankle as we move into the archer press. So hold the weight in the right hand to your chest and your left hand on the hip. Exhale, press the weight away with a slight twist to the left. Inhale, pull the weight back into the chest rotating the shoulders to the right and squeezing the shoulder blades together. So this is just as much for your core as it is for your shoulder. Stay nice and tall. 30 seconds here. Okay, that's 30 seconds and we'll switch sides. So lower the weight, lower the hands, switch legs. So right knee over the ankle, lift the body, take the weight, and then halo circles towards your right ear first. Circle the weight slowly around your head, and then change direction. Circle the weight slowly towards your left ear, and this time trace a line as you twist, lowering the weight towards your left hip. 30 seconds here. So the halo opens the shoulders, the drop down wakes up the obliques, and we're building that 360-degree functional stability for the desk. Okay, that's 30 seconds as we move to the archer press on the right side. So weight in the left hand, right hand on the hip. Keep the spine long and the belly engaged as you press away on the exhale and pull back on the inhale. 30 seconds here. Keep the belly squeezed. Control the weight. Don't let it control you. Okay, that's 30 seconds. Lower the weight, lower the hands. Cross your feet behind you and sit back. Then lie all the way down as we prepare for reset number 4, the weighted glute bridge. Bend your knees, heels close to the sit bones. Keep your feet and knees hip distance apart. Place the weight on your pelvis. Curl your tailbone under. Inhale and drive through the heels and lift the hips. Squeeze the glutes at the top. And so moving with the breath, exhale to lower down and then inhale to lift back up. Keeping the glutes engaged the entire time. Your minute starts here. Keep the glutes squeezed. We're switching on the biggest muscle in the body, and this is your foundation for all the sitting and hobby work ahead. Undo the damage of the chair. Okay, that's your minute. Lower down, place the weight to one side, relax the glutes, relax the belly. Take a breath here. Moving on to the final reset. decompression breathwork for 1 minute. Find a comfortable seat, or if you prefer to stay lying down, that's fine. Close the eyes, relax the body. We're finishing with a 7-4-8 breath to release stress from the body, mind and nervous system. That's inhaling for 7, holding for 4, and a long slow exhale for 8 through pursed lips. Start by emptying the lungs. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let the breath come back to its natural rhythm. Allow the body to dissolve into the breath. Relax here. The work is done. Your spine is reset, your glutes are awake, and your mind is steady. See you on the next one, where we go from stuck to strong.